You wake up with a plan. Today's the day. You'll start that project, finally exercise, fix your habits. But by the time the sun sets, nothing's changed. You tell yourself, tomorrow will be different. But tomorrow looks exactly like today. This isn't laziness. This is something far trickier. A trap I call the lazy loop. And if you stay with me until the end, you won't just understand how it works. You'll have the exact way out. I know, because I've been there. 2 years ago, I had an idea I believed would change my life. I bought all the gear, told my friends, pictured the success. But every morning, instead of starting, I'd just check my phone for a minute. That minute turned into hours. Days became weeks. 8 months later, the box was still unopened. That's the lazy loop. And if you've been waiting for the right time to start, you're probably in it too. The loop follows the same script every time. You see a goal, and it feels too big. Your brain says, let's do something easier. You follow, you scroll, you snack, you distract yourself. Then guilt creeps in, making tomorrow feel even harder. And the cycle repeats. Here's the truth most people miss. Laziness isn't your identity. It's a habit your brain built to protect you from discomfort. But that habit is stealing your time, and you don't need superhuman willpower to break it. You just need to crack the loop in one small place. Let me prove it. Last year, a friend of mine wanted to write a book. 200 pages felt impossible, so she made a deal. Write one sentence a day. Just one. Some days she stopped there. Some days she wrote a whole page. 6 months later, the book was done. That's the first key. Make the start ridiculously small. Want to run? Don't plan 5 kilometers. Just put on your shoes and step outside. Want to read? Open the book and read one line. The smaller the first step, the less your brain resists. The second key. Anchor it to something you already do. If you drink water every morning, keep your journal next to the glass. If you brush your teeth, drop for 10 push-ups right after. Your brain loves patterns. Hide your new habit inside one you already have. The third key? Stop before you burn out. Most people push until they're drained, and the next day feels like climbing a mountain. But if you stop while you still have energy, you'll actually want to return tomorrow. That's how pros train. They leave wanting more. If this is clicking for you, pause for 10 seconds right now and write down the tiniest action you can take today. Not tomorrow. Today. That's your first crack in the loop. Here's what will happen. 7 days from now, you'll feel a little lighter. 14 days in, you'll notice less resistance. A month in, and you'll wonder why starting ever felt so hard. And yes, you'll miss days. That's not failure. That's life. What matters is stepping back in before the loop closes again. The people you admire, they're not superhuman. They're just loop breakers. So tomorrow, when your brain offers you the comfort of later, smile at it and take that small step anyway. Because one day, you will look back and realize the lazy loop wasn't who you were. It was just a story, and you rewrote it. If you're ready to break it for good, watch the next video on my channel, my 3-day reset plan. It's linked here and in the description. And before you go, tell me in the comments, what's the smallest action you'll take today? I read every single one, and your answer might inspire someone else. And if this helped you, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. We were just getting started.